This is the Tsugami SS38MH-5AX, a high-performance CNC lathe. It's the first in its series to enable full 5-axis simultaneous machining managed through the FANUC control system. One of the key features of this machine is its ability to overlap backworking with live tool capabilities. This allows for the use of multiple tools simultaneously, significantly reducing cycle times without compromising on quality. With a weight of over 15,000 pounds, it's a robust machine equipped with a comprehensive tooling system, including a 40-tool magazine, 10 tools on the back tool post, and additional options for specialized machining tasks. This lathe is designed for heavy-duty cutting, featuring dual-contact Capto C4 holders and linear glass scales on the X1, Y1, and Z1 axes for guaranteed accuracy and repeatability. This Tsugami advances machining technology with its speed, precision, and versatility, meeting the demands of even the most challenging manufacturing environments. Visit our website for more information. Thank you.